this.
Some days you gotta wonder why we're here. Okay, welcome to Wild Bill's Garage. This is just a quick post for Ducati owners. I don't have a Ducati. I've been fortunate enough to ride one, my brother's. The 1200 Multistrada. Probably the nicest motorcycle I've ever ridden. But enough of that about me. This is just a little video on the bags, the luggage, which is $2,600 a pair, not counting the mounting. And you have to buy two if you lose one, and you lost a bag. But things have a way of coming back. So, Rod's going to explain, just for you Ducati owners, keep an eye on your bags. That's all I'm going to say about that. Rod? Take it away.
A little video on my Ducati Multistrada Enduro. I lost my side case. Didn't have it locked on properly. I thought I did, and I'll show you a mistake that I made. Got a little bit of rash on the front corner there, along the face. There's a dent back there. All in all, it fared good at about 120, 130 kilometers an hour. Glad to get my bag back. My neighbor had it. Lost about a half a kilometer down the road. There it is. And yet it's locked. Try to show you what went wrong. Okay, so this little tab here wasn't all the way up tight against the bag. If it sticks out a little bit, this thing has got a wedge shape and it fits in behind it. So you think it's locked, and it's not. That's what my bag is. So it's got to go down and fit on the other side, and then it's good. So let me put it back on. Then get up here. And that little tab is in there. So let that go down. It's locked. Now I give it a pull, and it's good. So a tug test is probably a good idea to do.
Look at the size of those bags.
Yeah, there.
Holy shit. Nice.
Yipper.
So 1,000 kilometers on it today.
A little over, I think.
Wow. And this is Yukon and British Columbia luggage.
That's why when I got to Watson Lake, I thought, man, that's just too early in the day.
Now once I get over here, okay, let's finish up with a little bit of footage here from the Carcross Desert, Ducati V-Stroms, and the drone. Be sure to hit the like button. Those likes are very, very important, I'm realizing, to getting my 87 cents out of YouTube. It affects the Google Analytics. Oh. And I want my 87 cents. So I'll go backwards a little bit, and let's bring it down here. So it's up to you people. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming out. Wild Bill's Garage, over and out. See you on the flip side.